If you are new to the channel and want to see more videos like this, then please hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Thank you and enjoy the video. Hello and welcome back to Coins and More UK. I hope you're all ready for Christmas and you're all in the festive mood. In today's video we are going to be looking at another packaged coin purchased from the Royal Mint. So without further ado, let's get inside this package and let's see what I've got to show you today. Right, let's get inside, let's show you what packaged coin we're going to be looking at in this video. And here it is, the 2019 Wallace and Gromit 50p coin. And I couldn't wait to get my hands on this. I shall be giving my full review very soon. And there is the back, denomination 50p. Obverse designer Jodie Clark and the reverse designer Nick Park, of course. And there we have it. There is the packaged coin. As normal, we are going to be opening this in a minute, which should be a little bit different this time round because I believe there's a little bit of building involved. But let's try and get a close look at the coin. With the light just there, it is very reflective. So yeah, let's get this open and let's see what we've got inside. So as normal, I always tend to open these up so you don't have to at home. Let's put that to one side for a minute. And here we have it. Oh, it's on its own little card. Look at that. And there we have it. Now, as much as I love Wallace and Gromit, I just really don't know what to think or what to make of this coin. I mean, they've done Wallace really good, but Gromit, it's just his nose and his eyes, they're just so scary. They really do freak me out a little bit, but nevertheless, it's still a lovely coin and another one to add to my collection. So we're going to put this down and let's try having a go at building this little thing here. Alright, so let's have a go at building this stand. It can't be that hard, surely. Let's have a look. You put that there, da da da. Okay, so we lift this up and you push them in like so, without ripping it. There we go. And you pull this out. Okay, yeah, that just goes in there somehow. I think I've got it. Let's put you there, and then the little rocket ship goes in front. Well, that wasn't too hard. It certainly is a little bit different. And the graphics on this, they're really nice. Obviously, you've got the rocket there from A Grand Day Out, which is my favourite Wallace and Gromit episode. I do love that one, where they go to the moon to get some cheese. And on the back, we've got some really nice graphics, some really nice drawings. And then we've got Wallace and Gromit, established in 1989. And set coordinates for 62 West Wallaby Street. They've got Wallace and Gromit there themselves. And the artwork is really pretty. I just do feel a little bit let down with the coin. As lovely as it is, Gromit is just, yeah, really spooky. And then on here, let's see what we've got on here. So these are just the instructions for the stand, which are fairly easy. And then we've got some coin specifications on there. And then I assume if we look inside, we've got a bit of information about Wallace and Gromit. Here we go. Let's have a little look. So, oops, it's a bit difficult to get this on camera actually. So we're on our way, lad. Again, if you want to pause this video at any time to have a little read of the information inside, please feel free to do so. We're on our way, lad. The Adventures of Wallace and Gromit start with a picnic trip to the moon. A Grand Day Out was released on the 4th of November 1989, but the story of its journey to the screen started many years before. And then, again, we've got a bit of information about Wallace and Gromit. Again, feel free to pause. Wallace is an eccentric inventor who loves Wensleydale cheese, crackers and a nice cup of tea. And then you've got Gromit, Gromit is Wallace's loyal friend and companion. And there we have it. It is quite a nice pack. I am impressed with this. It's really lovely. It's just a shame about the coin, but to us collectors, we're more than happy to add this to our collection. Again, it's a shame that this coin will never be released into circulation. The only other way of getting this coin was going to the Strike Your Own, which is now finished, I believe. I didn't get to that one, but I will be heading to the Royal Mint at some point next year to strike my first ever coin, and I'm really looking forward to it. But I love Wallace and Gromit. It's been a big part of my childhood, and I just had to get this coin. It's really good. I'm really happy with it. I really didn't mind paying £10 for this. It's an absolutely cracking addition to anyone's collection. And there we have it for another video. If you did enjoy it, please leave me a like, subscribe to my channel, and of course press that notification bell, and you'll always be notified when I upload new coin reviews like this. I hope you all have a fantastic Christmas and an even better New Year. Thank you very much for all the support and engagement throughout the year. My channel has just grown massively this year, and I've met so many fantastic people, so thank you very much for all that. And again, I shall see you all very soon for more coins, but for now, it's bye bye from me. Take care and have a good one, folks.